useful tip is to make a shortcut the folders you use the most inside the cloud storage available for you inside your files here. So what you're going to be doing is that you're just going to make a reference for the folder and as a shortcut into your folders. So what do I mean is that if you go to the shared libraries here, so let's say for example I'm going to go to neat, and I'm looking for a specific folder that I'm constantly using. So let's say the assessments, and over here I have a boxing gym and a few other folders. So I'm always using boxing gym, so I'm going to click on that and I'm going to see add shortcut to my files. So if I add shortcut to my files, let's put another one. For example, let's put fitness, event planning. Sorry, you have to do one at a time. So if I click on fitness, add shortcut to my files, it's also been added. So if I click on my files here, you're gonna see these are now linked, and you can see by the little icon to it, this is a link. So if I click on it, it's gonna open the folder. So now we are inside that folder. So if I go back to my files, you see here there are other links, and this can save you a lot of time when moving from folder to folder if you place everything inside my files. So if you like to delete these references that you have placed inside my files, it's not gonna affect the folder itself. This is just the reference for the folder, so you can just click on it and click remove. The reference folders are represented with a link next to the icon of the folder next to it, and you can just remove them. It won't affect the files itself.